the animation, okay, we are going to show how we can add another costume and also change the direction, as well as how to make the fish sink to the bottom of the tank and stopping the script. So we continue from where we start, which is the blue fish. Okay, I'm going to add another costume here, the sinking fighting fish. Okay, you would have known now how to import costumes. Alright, so I've already added it, and I'm gonna tell it to switch to costume. So most importantly, if you realize, the fighting fish costume is outside of the if, because we want it to continue to be a regular fighting fish when it's swimming normally, unless it touches the blue fish. So, but now we want it to switch into a sinking fighting fish. So after becoming dizzy and saying ouch for 2 seconds, it is going to sink, okay? Because it can't swim anymore, it has a headache, so it's going to sink, right? So after it sinks, okay, let me just show you. Okay, it says ouches, and then it changed. Okay, so now this thing is quite wobbly because you haven't told it what to do next. So after it has changed into a singing fighting fish, you're gonna tell it to point downwards. So you have to go back to direction and tell it to point downwards. So put in point in direction, and you can select here, okay, right, left, up, down. We are going to choose down because we want it to sink. Okay, after which, after pointing down, you want the fish to sink to the bottom of the tank. Okay, so you're going to tell it how to sink. How you can sink is actually by gliding. Okay, so you glide down. It's supposed to glide down. You give it about perhaps 1.5 seconds. Okay, and it says here 50 minus 10, but I want it to go down to the bottom of the tank. Okay, so if you look here, this thing tells you where you can locate where your fish sink. So let's say example here is 44 minus 47 and minus 33. I'm going to pull it down. I want it to fall around here. 47 and minus 180, so I'm going to change that. 47 and minus 180. After that, it has glided down, correct? So after it has gone to the bottom of the tank, the script ends. So you can go back to control. Maybe you're telling the animation, okay, once the fish dies, it sinks, that's it, stop, no more. The fish is not going to move anymore. It is important because you have to put this, if not, the fish will continue to go up, bounce, and swim again. So you have this, alright. I'm going to show you. Okay, it's not our finished product yet. Okay, detach. And it glides down. So it works, it stops. Okay, but now your orange fish hasn't done the same thing. So you're going to drag this part out, what you have included. Okay, switch costume, point direction, glide, and stop script. Right click, duplicate it, and add into the orange script, orange fish. Okay, and then you put this back in. So put it back here. Now if you realize, I have already imported the sinking fighting fish in orange. I'm gonna change this to sinking fighting, okay, just to make sure it's the correct one. I want it to change to this direction, 180 degrees downwards, but I don't want it to fall in the same part, same place where the blue fighting fish falls. I want it to fall at a different place. Okay, I want it to fall, let's say, here, minus 100 and minus 180. Okay, because if it touches, again, it's gonna go and say ouch again, ouch, ouch, ouch many times, and doesn't make sense. Okay, so we want a smooth animation. So I'm going to show you. Touch. and then they fall down and die. That's it. Your animation is done.